In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI animated videos. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Did you know you can create animated videos with AI in minutes? I'll show you exactly how. Link in my profile.
So to do that video, first we need to go to Novoads AI, and here, once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and as you can see, this is more or less what we're going to do. First, create an image, and then use that image as a reference to create the video. So let's go to the image section. Here, we have to click in settings. Now in model, we're going to use GPT Image 2. In quality, we're going to use the medium quality, and then here in reference, and finally here where it says describe your image, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt, it looks really long, but the truth is that it's very simple. The important part is this one, that I want a 3D animation style. This is what it gives this image, this Pixar style. So now we have to click here and now wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the images and now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to download this image. Now we have to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here I'm going to use the model Seedance 2.0. But if you want, you can use Clink 3.0. The two are really good models. So now I'm going to click here, and here we need to upload the image that we download. So let's upload. Now here we have to write a prompt. In my case, I created this one, and this prompt is going to be in the comment section. So you can modify it as you want. So now we have to click here and now in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Did you know you can create animated videos with AI in minutes? I'll show you exactly how. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. The quality is really good, the lip sync is really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, now you know how to do it. And in Novoads AI, we have an offer that you can try Novoads AI for just $1 for the first 3 days. This is literally less than a coffee, so I recommend you to try it. And then if you don't like it, you just cancel the plan when you want. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.